head on over to edcafe.ai. You'll find a link in the description below. Once you're here, you can go ahead and get started now and sign up. All right, once you're logged in, over on the left, you're going to have Create New. And I'm going to start with a quiz. All right, here I have the opportunity to enter the topic, New Wave Music. All right, next to that we have text. This is where you can copy and paste source text and information. Next to that we have web page, so you can also provide links to web pages that also have information related to your topic. And finally, next to that we have files. This is where you can upload existing documents that you have. In this case, I am going to upload a document. I have this document here on the history of New Wave music. And so I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this right here onto the page. The file will upload. All right, now below that we have options. Question type. In this case, I'd like a multiple choice quiz. To the right, we have number of questions. I'll go with 5 for now. And then below that, we have additional instructions, which is optional. And then below that, we have our output language. So in here, you can actually use a variety of languages. I'm going to keep mine at English, and I'll go ahead and click Generate Quiz. And boom shakalaka. Look at the AI go to work. It scanned my attached document and came up with multiple choice questions related to that content. All right, so let's go back up to the top here, and I'm going to go ahead and read through each question for accuracy. I can also click the up and down arrows to change the order of the question. All right, and so you can go through your questions, make sure you are good with them. Down here, we can have AI add an additional question. But if you're happy with what you have, you can go ahead and save this. I'll click Save here at the top, and I'll give it a name. I can also decide if I want to share this and make it public for other people to use. For now, I'm going to keep it private and save. Here is where we can now assign the quiz and make it available to my students or audience. I'll go ahead and click Assign. And in here, we have the option to provide a QR code, or I can copy a direct link to the quiz.